I'm Sid, coming to you live from the Universal booth at FABTECH 2024. It's been a great experience so far, and I thought I'd give you a walkthrough of our system. What you're seeing here is a demo unit of our Smart Finishing Robotic Workcell. We have a UR5, and there are a couple of different parts on the table. So I'm going to quickly run through the high-level features of our system and give you an overview. So the UR5, the biggest advantage of our system is that there's no robot programming involved. We have a camera on there, so the robot goes to a couple of different positions, takes snapshots of parts on the table, and on the fly is able to figure out what the parts are, where the parts are located, generate the program, and then send it to the robot. That way, it takes away the need for an operator to move the robot to different positions, part by part, job by job, and makes it very easy. As you saw earlier, it's a one-button press to start a job and to let it go. That's it. That's all it takes. What we offer is different finishing services. So we do sanding, polishing, grinding, deburring, buffing. The way we do that is with a tool change option. So this right here is a push cart sander that's on the robot right now. So it's going to go down and it follows the contour of the part. So you can see that we not only handle planar surfaces, but we also do contours, irregularly shaped surfaces. The robot is able to figure out what the surface is, what it looks like, and follow the contour right there. For tool changing, we have an automated tool change option or a manual tool change option. You can see some of the tools in the background over here, a grinding tool, a polishing tool. So the robot knows what tool is in what tool slot, goes automatically picks it up and drops it back after it's done with the finishing process.